Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted posts in WordPress. Let's begin. First, open your WordPress in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From your dashboard, click on the post section right over here, right? To see all of your published and removed posts. At the top of the post page over here, there should be a option to click on trash if you've successfully deleted some post. All right. Click on it and find a post you want to bring back and click restore. It should show right over here and there should be a restore button just right beside these options. Okay. It will return to your main post list instantly once restored. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted post in WordPress, saving time and avoiding accidental content loss. I hope you found this video very helpful.